Hi Han, welcome to another video on my channel. So today I'm going to be taking down my 2-week-old bubble braids or poodle puffs, whatever you call them. It's still manageable, but a lot of my twists are already sticking out and I want to create, more content that doesn't really involve this style, so they gotta go, you know what I'm saying? So I was thinking of removing all the charms and beads first before taking down the style, but I ultimately decided against that and just packed the whole thing up so that I can work on each braid one by one. I'm using this tinkle blade that I got from Miniso because it's easier for me to control than regular razor blades or even scissors. Now scissors might seem controllable until your hand slips and you end up accidentally cutting off your hair in the middle. So yeah, no, I'll stick to my tinkle blade in peace because that's like the safest option in my opinion anyway. I carefully pinch the rubber bands and hold it as far away from my face and the hair, the braid itself, as possible, and then I use the blade to cut it. Then I pull the cut rubber band out of the braid and bam, easy. I try to pull it out as far away from my face as possible because even though I know it's highly unlikely, I do not want a freshly snapped rubber band flying into my eyes. I don't want it in my eyes. For the rubber band that is closest to the roots of my hair, I am especially careful, but I basically do the same thing. I pinch the rubber band and pull it as far away from my hair as possible, and then I use the tinkle blade to cut it. It's very, very important that you pay attention to this particular part of your hair because any hair that you cut from here, it don't go. So I repeat this process for each of the braids all over my head, removing the beads and charms and accessories as I go. The whole process took about 40 minutes to do, but that may have been due to the fact that I may have been distracted by a movie. So these are the twists that have been safely hampered away within the bubble braids for 2 weeks, and they are feeling quite stiff and dry, but not so much, like it's not like super dry, but I know that my next wash day is gonna have to be really moisture intensive, so watch out for that video because I'm definitely gonna do a video for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications if you haven't already so that you don't go and miss it, because you don't want to miss these. I was able to save the extensions and I would definitely be repurposing them, maybe into a ponytail or something. I don't know, we'll see. Alrighty then, so that's all for today and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.